Bottoms up. Oh, it's a spot. All right. So today we're going to make a michelada. All right. Get your favorite hot sauce, tapatio, chamoy, your tajin. All right. Worcestershire sauce. Mexican can't say this. All right. Worcestershire sauce. All right. And then secret ingredient, pepper. And then we're going to get soy sauce. We're going to get clamato. And your favorite soda, blink blink. All right. And a plate. And little plates in case you want to measure the stuff, but we're not really going to measure. So we're going to start with ice. All right. No ice. We're going to add ice. You guys can see. Actually, I'm going to take out the ice because we can't have them in there. We need to dress it up first. So we're going to need another plate too. Let me go get another plate. So first of all, we're going to go ahead and start adding stuff in here first before we actually mix it up. So clamato is going to go in there too. But before we do that, we start with a little chamoy. Mix it up. I start with this because it gives a good... Hey, we forgot something. The limes. Jeez, I almost forgot the lime. Damn. I'm going to do 4-piece lime. That's good enough. Put this one for later. All right, so first of all, little chamoy. All right, little chamoy. Like to do it a little bit on everywhere. If you can, go the opposite way. Just to give it like the wall flavor, right? That's about it, right? It's going to go away, but it's fine. Pepper. Pepper. Lime. Optional, right? Optional. Lime. Oyster sauce or Worcestershire sauce. That much, that's good. Soy sauce. That's good. Oh, I forgot something important, but it's okay. We'll do it at the end. Then oh, we need the ice in there now before it gets messy. Get the ice in there. Halfways. The lime if you want. Make it good. It's perfect. So we're going to mix a little bit of chamoy here. All right. All right. Then we'll want to do, put these on the side here. A little chamoy. And then we want, mix it up. Then we mix it with the knife. All right, we got that. Then we almost forgot something important too. Your tapatio. 1, 2, all right. Mix this up. Then you want to maybe dress it up on the corners. Line it up here. You could do this first, but this cup is too big to do it, so we're gonna do it last. You need to do that first. I messed up. I'm a goof on that, but it's okay. Gives it the same flavor on the outside, the inside. Look at that. Line it up there. Beautiful. So we have it. I'll throw this sucker in there. Then you get your favorite Sprite. Ooh, just spilled a little bit, but it's okay. All right, let's try this out. Bottoms up. It's a spot. It's a spot. It's not gonna last all day today. Actually, really good. Simple. The secret is the pepper. I learned from a bartender. He put a lot of it into clamato, mix it up, made it. Oh man. Homemade. I could have 10 of these. Fill up the rest of it. Ooh, and mix it up after because you can't do the knife. That's a lot of flavor. Ooh, a lot of flavor. Make sure you mix the bottom part. The cup is wonderful. 34. All right, so recipe's really good. I really enjoyed it. I actually got the recipe from a bartender, and he was making it for a large party, so he was mixing the clamato with the pepper. I've never heard of somebody putting pepper in there, but it does make a big difference on it. You could taste it. The color's beautiful. The wall's gone already, but if you could start with the tip, you do that first, right? My mistake, I didn't get to start it, but I recovered it. But overall, it's a great drink. Sorry, I gotta lick the spots that, like this part. Really good. From my house to your canton. Hope you guys enjoy this drink.